This is what I call a chicken trap or bird trap. You can trap your chickens or bird this way. It's not a really perfect trap, but I rush doing things, so it's not really completed. You need this to be a bit shorter. Okay, this is the engine. This is the string. Normally I use a smaller string, but for you to see, I use a bigger string. Okay, this one is your trip mechanism. I cut. You can turn the camera over here.
เห็นอยู่หนูส่งอยู่
You can cut it's like a claw shape, and you dug it to the ground. Okay. Boop. Place this under here, and this under here. Okay. Oh, I done this a bit too. I haven't tried this yet. Okay. I caught a lot of birds this way. This is really a successful trap. Okay. This is your normal noose, whatever do they call it. Okay. This is your fence. You need a bird to come here. It's 2 directions. You can fence this with anything that you want, but preferably you need dry leaves, dry twigs or anything. Don't use like fresh leaves. Boop, the animals comes here, walks here. There you go.